So I wasn't going to make a video on this, but मुझे लगता है कि हमारी देश की जनता में ना काफी ऐसे चूतिए लोग हैं जिनको कुछ चीजें ना बहुत इजीली समझ नहीं आती. Now you must have already heard the news that a very famous actor has committed suicide. ठीक है, and it's no laughing matter. Mental health is not a laughing issue. Millions of people suffer from anxiety. Almost every student right now who is in the 12th grade or the 11th grade or any competitive grade जहाँ पर apparently तुम्हारे marks हद से ज़्यादा matter करते हैं, even they are suffering from anxiety. This can be the pressure from society or the pressure from parents or both of them or relatives या whatever. ठीक है, and ये सब चीजें mental health में ही आती है. These things can actually fuck you up. Depression is not a joke. अब मैं ये वीडियो इसलिए बना रहा हूं बिकॉज इस डेथ पे, दिस सुसाइड विच हैपेंड, I saw a lot of things that actually made me feel disgusted. And many of you might know what it is, and many of you might not. There are literally news channels out there who are trying to rhyme the suicide with another word to make it more interesting for the viewers. Are you serious? तुम्हें पता है सुसाइड का मतलब क्या होता है? Do you know how much balls it takes to end your own fucking life? Have you ever been in that situation where you have to choose a decision there where you will literally with your own hand have to end yourself? It's not an easy decision, let me tell you that. And it's not a laughing matter that you're fucking rhyming on it. You're saying shit like यहाँ पर हिट विकेट कैसे हो गया, पटना का सुशांत फेल क्यों हुआ मुंबई में, व्हाट द फक, टेस्ट चल रहा था ये, तुम क्या कोई उसको व्यू कर रहे थे लाइव सुसाइड करते हुए जो तुम ऐसी बकवासें लिख रहे हो? सांसों के द्वारे काई पोचे हो गया. भाई तुम्हें यह मजाक लग रहा है? तुम समझ क्या रहे हो कि ये चीज होती क्या है? तुम्हें बस लगता है कि तुमने राइम कर दिया. देखो, मुझे पता है कि दिस माइट बी द मीडिया इंडस्ट्री माइट बी अ कम्पिटिटिव इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है, वहां पर एक बंदे को दूसरे बंदे से न्यूज लेना पड़ेगी ताकि व्यूअर मिले. बट एट व्हाट कॉस्ट? At what cost are you doing this shit? At the cost of someone's life? At least give that man a legacy for what he has achieved. तुम ये चुतियाप करके क्या कोशिश कर रहे हो प्रूव करने की? तुमने व्यूअर ले तो लिया, बट एट व्हाट कॉस्ट? तुम पूछ रहे सुसाइड क्यों हुआ और तुम इतने इनसेंसिटिव हो रहे हो यहाँ पर. वहां पर एक न्यूज चैनल उसके डैड के घर जाके उसके इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. Dude, he just got to know his son fucking died. If your son fucking died, how would you feel? Would you want to give an interview to your news channel? Or would you like to mourn with the people you love? Actually think about what has happened. तुम चूतियों को लगता है कि तुम किसी भी चीज में मीडिया घुसा दोगे. You just giving the first fucking news and it's all right. हम चूतियों की तरह तुम्हारे पीछे भागते रहे. What is wrong with you guys? What is wrong with the media? And it's not just the media. There are other people as well. वहां पर बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स ये सब लिख रहे हैं. द सेम पीपल हु वर टॉकिंग शिट ऑन शोज अबाउट हिम आर द सेम पीपल हु आर लाइक, oh, I wish I could have seen this coming. Dude, what the fuck? Yes, you would have. तुम मुझे एक बात बताओ, don't we all know nepotism is a real thing? Have you seen the fucking movies that go to the 100 crore club? Have we seen the fucking actors who on top and who don't even know how to fucking act? Do you know how hard is it to survive in this industry? Why? No, it's not just the fact that there is nepotism. It's the basic competition. There's so many people out there and उसके ऊपर तुम अलग से एक इंसान को competitive edge दे रहे हो. कंगना रनौत ने literally she risked her whole fucking career to talk about this. She stood in front of this whole fucking industry. What support did she have? For her, her livelihood was at stake. She might not even have got a movie because of the influence these people have. But did we support? हम तो फिर भी वो कुछ भी गवारों वाली मूवी देखकर आ जाते हैं जिसमें कोई सेंस नहीं होता. which are not even funny and classified as comedy movies. हम तो देख कर आ जाते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि भाई बस यार मस्त है यार, तो तुमने कभी रियल टैलेंट तो एक्नॉलेज ही नहीं करा ना. And if people start talking about this, it's not like she got any support at that time. Even from outside, कितना ही मिला? This news dies down in like days. And then there are these fucking people out there who are trying to gain followers from this shit. That is the most fucked up shit I've seen in my life. And you might be thinking, some of you might be thinking that I'm trying to do the same. Honestly, dude, if you want to subscribe, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's up to you. Trust me. But the fucked up shit is, let me just show you. So we're on Sushant Singh Rajput's page right now. And if you see the tags portion of this page, look at this. Follow karo just now or follow milega. And you're tagging this guy in this. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? यहाँ देखो, इन लोगों को अपनी selfies खींचनी है, and selfies के साथ they want to tag this actor who had just passed away. Look at the fucking time below the picture, it's 14 hours ago. That means that he knew about this death and then he still tagged him. It's not like it was a privatized news. Look at this guy, he's putting fucking hashtags and putting a picture of himself done in Photoshop and he's tagging Sushant Singh Rajput. What does he have to do with this? Just because you know people will go and look at this. How fucked up are you in your head that you think this is all right? Is this a joke to you? Be respectful towards people. Please. And look out for people. Even if you cannot look out, at least do something that shows that you are open. You're open to understanding people's problems and not judging them for it. Because it's fucked up the kind of world we are living in. हम सबसे गलती होती है. Even I must have done some shit I don't even realize. But the thing is, at least improve upon it. Don't go in the fucking bandwagon. स्कूल्स क्या करते हैं? स्कूल्स ने कभी किसी बच्चे को बैरली किसी बच्चे को कभी प्रमोट करा है? एवरी स्कूल इज कंपीटिंग टुवर्ड्स द फैक्ट दैट हमारा बेस्ट होना चाहिए पढ़ाई के मामले में. हमारे स्कूल ने 10 बोर्ड टॉपर दिए क्योंकि पेरेंट्स फिर वरना अपने बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं भेजेंगे उस वाले, है ना? सो व्हाट द स्कूल्स डू, दे ट्राई टू fucking jostle the fucking student by continuously making them study. I had 10 fucking exams or 5 fucking exams in my last year. How the fuck is that fair? भाई स्टूडेंट खुद नहीं पढ़ सकता. You have to continuously take the exam. Do you know how much mental load it has on the student? Do you have any fucking idea? 10 ट्यूशन जा रहा होता है बच्चा just to fucking pass in an exam. And then relatives आके हाँ भैया मार्क्स कितने आए, तो बच्चे पे और डाल दो तुम लोड. पेरेंट्स भी लोड डाल रहे हैं, हमारी नाक मत कटवा रही. अबे तुम्हारी क्या नाक कट गई? बच्चे का तो सोचो. कभी तुमने सोचा है? नहीं सोचा ना. Because you're only concerned with yourself. You have never thought about the consequences it has on other people when you fuck up. When you say shit that you don't feel would hurt anybody, but it can. If a person makes a mistake, point it out. हम भी कर रहे हैं अभी. जब कोई बेवकूफी करता है कहीं YouTube पे तो हमें 50 वीडियो मिल जाती है क्योंकि उसने बेवकूफी करी. And that has to be put in a limelight. जिस इंसान ने कुछ गलत भी नहीं करा, तुम उसके साथ ऐसे ट्रीट कर रहे हो. तुम उसकी डेथ को, उसके सुसाइड को एज अ वे टू गेन फॉलोअर्स कर रहे हो. फॉलो बैक करूंगा. अबे मांगा किसने तेरा फॉलो बैक? चूतिए. अंडरस्टैंड दिस शिट. आई एम नॉट द ब्राइटेस्ट पीपल, but even I know that mental health is a real thing and it's time we start acknowledging it, time we start taking action against it. How many people have fucking committed suicide just because other people are not ready to listen to what they have to say? Is it fine? लोग कहते हैं हम टिकटॉक को बहुत बेइज्जती मारते हैं. Do you know why हम टिकटॉक को क्यों बेइज्जती मारते हैं? I'll show you a fucking reason why. This guy had the balls to use his death again to gain followers. He recorded a whole fucking TikTok video.
गाइस अभी खबर आ रही है सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने सुसाइड कर ली अपने घर पे. आप देख पा रहे हैं जी, धोनी में जिन्होंने एक्टिंग करी थी उन्होंने सुसाइड कर लिया अपने घर पे. रीजन क्या है इस सुसाइड का वो आपको सीधा पता लगेगा. यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, ये यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन पे मैंने स्टोरी पे.
So that he can actually gain followers. He's so fucking excited. Look at his voice. He's like, wow, मुझे तो content मिल गया followers लेने का. And you can see his page. His page is full of this shit. And the most fun, do you know what the most fucked up shit about all this is? The same account, this actor's account I am telling you about, उसके टैग में लोगों ने उसी आदमी की डेड बॉडी को, which has been going around fucking viral everywhere, they have fucking tagged his account on that body. Bhai, you are fucked up in your head. I hope you understand that. Get some help. This is not a normal behavior. Please stop normalizing this shit. Please stop rhyming someone's death with something you can find fun. Please stop grabbing the viewer's attention by doing shit that isn't courteous, that isn't humanitarian. And for God's sake, start empathizing with people. There is no fucking empathy. I'm not talking about sympathy. There's a fucking difference. I just don't want you to say, okay, I'm sorry. I want you to put yourself in those people's shoes and understand what they're going through. Stop using an excuse for everything. It's not like I want you to take the blame. I want you to change. If you have not done anything till now, doesn't matter. But at least start improving upon it. There's still time. Somebody has to take a step. So lastly, I would like to conclude this video. Please let this man rest in peace. He was a legend. He was one of the great actors who had a lot of bright future ahead. To the Bollywood industry, I would like to say, stop being so fucking heartless and give the talented people a fucking chance. And to the people of the nation and the media, I want to say, some of you might have been insensitive. There's no time for blame game. Everybody makes mistakes, but now you should probably work upon it and actually make this world a better place to live in. This is for the parents, for the teachers who are making their child or their students work rigorously even though they don't want to, making them do courses they don't want to, which might end up in this shit. We have seen it in a lot of movies. We have seen a lot of this shit happening in real life. And to the people, start fucking empathizing. Thank you.